Welcome to the Mississippi Express Pass System User Tutorial videos. This video will guide you through the steps on how a permit service selects the company when ordering a permit using Express Pass at permits.mdot.ms.gov. This and other tutorial videos can be found on the login page via the Express Pass User Tutorial Videos link. In Express Pass, a permit service user is the same as a company user with a few distinct differences. In most cases, the permit service will not have a USDOT number. All companies that receive a permit must have an account in Express Pass. The permit service can create an account for companies that do not already have one. Once you've set up your company as a permit service, log into your permit service account by entering your username and password. Select the Remember Me on this computer checkbox for Express Pass to remember your username and password. Users must select the company that will actually be transporting the load when beginning a new permit. If the company has not been set up in Express Pass, users must first set up the new company in order to issue a permit. There are two ways to create a new company in Express Pass. One way is to click the New Company link located in the Admin Links panel on the left side of the company dashboard. Follow the on-screen prompts to create a new account for permit ordering. A second way to create a new company is to start a new permit. To start a new permit, click the New Permit button located above the Permit panel. Then select the I know which permit I need option. If you do not know which permit the company needs, choose the I need help choosing the permit option to display a series of questions to help you determine which permit is needed. Click the Enter a New Company link at the top of the screen to set up the new company. Enter the new company information, including the address, phone number, and USDOT number in the fields. Then, click the Create Company button to add the company to Express Pass for permit ordering. If a company has already been created in Express Pass, select the company for which you are ordering permits by looking up the company. Please note that if a company is not selected, the permit will be issued in the name of the permit service and cannot be transferred. Company lookup can be accomplished by using either the company name or the USDOT number. If the USDOT number is known, select USDOT number from the Search By drop-down list and enter the USDOT number in the field. If the USDOT number is unknown, select Company Name from the Search By drop-down list and enter the company name in the field. The search function will automatically find results matching your entry as you type the first three characters. Click on the company name or USDOT number hyperlink in the populated Records Found list. Please note if the matching company is not found, you must create the new company before proceeding by either clicking the Enter a New Company link or returning to the company dashboard and selecting the new company link in the Admin Links panel. On the Order Permit screen, after entering either the USDOT number or the company name and selecting the hyperlink from the Records Found list, the company name and USDOT number will be displayed under the Select Company for which you are ordering permits section. Do not proceed with the permit ordering process until you have clicked on the company name or USDOT number hyperlink and the company name and USDOT number are displayed under the Search By drop-down list. Only then should you proceed with entering additional permit information and continuing with the permit order process. Once all information has been entered and submitted and the permit is ready for payment, the permit service will be able to pay for the permit with a credit card or escrow account if available. Once payment is complete, review the permit PDF to ensure all information is correct. The company name will be listed and the permit service will be listed next to the Wire Serve line under the company information. The permit will be delivered based on the selection chosen during the permit order process. This concludes the Express Pass user tutorial video on how a permit service selects a company when ordering a permit using Express Pass. Thanks for watching, and don't forget more videos are available for your convenience.